Welcome back, the new season is upon us. I'm here at Old Road. It's BRITON FERRY Llansawel versus TAFFS WELL. First round match of the Nathaniel MG Cup for the 2019-2020 season. It's an all Cymru South affair and it should be a cracker. Old Road, if you haven't seen my previous video here, is one of my favourite grounds in the Cymru South. Lovely ground, nice clubhouse that I've just been partaking in some refreshments from. And we'll crack on to the game in a second. Right, the home team enters the field. BRITON FERRY in their classic all red kit, a new kit for the season. It's lovely, check it out on their social media or whatever. Just about ready for kick-off. I'm stood in the sun, might swap to the other side just because it's quite blinding despite it being 7:45 in the evening, which is lovely. Sorted out from the lovely cafe, chicken curry and chips. Absolute quality. Right, so here we go, doing the formalities. Two teams are in their classic kit colours. TAFFS WELL are in the yellow and black. BRITON FERRY in the red. If you don't know the format, this is the MG Cup. So if this game ends in a draw, it will go straight to penalty shootout. So yeah, not entirely that much else to say. I'll swap the sides for your benefit. I think you'll appreciate. Kick-off is approaching in the first domestic Welsh football match of the season. And I, for one, am buzzing. Good ball in. Oh, it's going to fall. Oh, pen! Very early penalty. Bit of a dubious call. That is what, 3 minutes in? At most. So there we go. Penalty to BRITON FERRY Llansawel. Oh, pen! It's number 9 stepping up to the plate. 1-0. BRITON FERRY Llansawel take the lead. 3 minutes in. Long ball up from the keeper. He's got the ball. Oh, good layoff. Oh. TAFFS WELL attacking. Oh, deflecting off the BRITON FERRY player's legs in being in. Strike on goal, poor. Ooh. I mean, interesting attempt. TAFFS WELL breaking, left hand side. Good ball inside. Ah, well cut out though. See whether BRITON FERRY can counter the counter. Can beat his man. Oh, he can beat his man. Oh, decent ball in. It's a very frantic start to this match. I say that we're about 25 minutes in now. Neither side is really controlling the game particularly well. It's just like quite a lot of sort of repeated counter-attacks that just continually get broken down. TAFFS WELL attacking after a throw-in now. Straight side, ball in, but nothing comes of it again. BRITON FERRY are attacking. Oh, he got there. Oh, he's done brilliantly. Oh, could he just hit that pass across with a little bit more? Oh, bit of a naughty challenge there. First yellow card of the season. Here it is. Coming up. And it goes to TAFFS WELL number 4. Oh, good challenge. Won the ball back though. Ball in. Oh, no one on the back post. No one in there at all. Disappointing. Right, we're at the 45 now. BRITON FERRY free kick. Quite deep. See whether they can put a good ball in. It's gone for a corner. We're at the end of the first half now. Still BRITON FERRY 1, TAFFS WELL 0. Let's see whether they can double their lead from this corner. Oh, what a poor corner. You can tell quite clearly that this is the first sort of competitive match back of the season. Both teams have looked totally off sharpness and not exactly up to speed. Right, the whistle for half time has just gone. 1-0. Not exactly an event-filled half, so hopefully a little bit more coming in the second half. Right, teams back out for the second half. Let's hope for a little bit more excitement than the first half, because I am lagging in enthusiasm, and we're 45 minutes into the season, so that's always a good sign. Yeah, nothing else to say. Let's get into it. Good ball in behind, keeper's gone, he's off his line. Oh, absolutely heroic defending. Stops him being 2-0 to BRITON Ferry. Going to get a corner from it. Oh, flicked on again and in. 2-0 BRITON Ferry. Good corner routine. There we go, 2-0. Alright then, a little bit of drama. We've got a penalty to TAFFS WELL now. Handball. I'll be entirely honest, I wasn't watching. But I was the first to realise. So there's a little win. I apologise for that. There were children in the stand, and I moved because mainly to get the lovely views. And penalty 2-1. 2-1 to BRITON Ferry. So there we go. Ferry. Oh! That's a brilliant own goal. That is a quality own goal. 3-1 BRITON Ferry. Ferry. Oh! BRITON Ferry keeper's just made a brilliant save. Right, 25 minutes left. Corner TAFFS WELL. Header away. Gonna sit. Oh! Unlucky. Good chest down, good turn. Oh. Playing some nice stuff. Just frustrating for them that they're 3-1 down. Good ball. Oh! That was a golden opportunity. BRITON Ferry have cut it out. Oh, he's still got it. Oh, good save. Are they going to get it again? Yeah, they are. To the cross. Oh. Good block and good save. Oh, and the linos flagged. Good chance to make it 4-1 there. BRITON Ferry ring again. Gotta be this time. Oh. How's he missed that? 10 minutes left, still 3-1. I don't know how it went to the last couple of minutes of the match. Not that much has happened in the last couple of minutes. BRITON Ferry are just trying to hold it out, go through the motions. TAFFS WELL have sort of realised they're probably beyond reprieve in this game, and therefore the MG Cup for another season. We'll stick with this. It's just generic time-wasting opportunities. Let's just check the watch. Yeah, we should be at full time anytime soon. It's been quite a good game. The second half has livened up a lot compared to the first, but if it had kept at the same level of sort of nervy football, I probably would have gone back to the bar. Right, there we go. Full time. BRITON Ferry run out 3-1 winners. It was relatively comfortable, really. TAFFS WELL probably dominated the game in terms of possession, but BRITON Ferry were just significantly more clinical when they had their chances at goal. Not really much more else to say. So there we go. Welsh football season is back.